In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view QuickBooks Invoices. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step so you can confidently access your invoices in just a few minutes. Let's get started by heading over to the QuickBooks Online website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and type in QuickBooks Online in the search bar. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Remember, it's vital to ensure your login details are accurate and up to date to avoid any hiccups. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This will take you right into your QuickBooks dashboard. Nice work so far, you're now halfway there. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side where you'll see the menu. Look for the Sales section. It holds all transaction-related activities. Click on Sales to unlock a drop-down of more options. Under the Sales drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Click on this to view all your invoice transactions. This section will present you with a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've managed through QuickBooks, along with their status and details. Here, you can scroll through the list to review past invoices, or check on pending ones. Each invoice will give you specific details like the date issued, the amount, and the client information, allowing you to keep a meticulous track of all your business transactions. That's it. You've now successfully accessed your QuickBooks invoices with confidence and ease. This process is not only straightforward, but also a great tool for managing your finances effectively. Regularly checking your invoices helps ensure that you stay on top of your accounts and manage your business cash flow seamlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful and you feel more comfortable navigating QuickBooks for your invoicing needs. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.